Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates bayodlala against iMamelodi Sundowns, bazodlala ngolwesithathu ngomhla ka-18 February. Igame izodlala ngo-7:30 ebusuku e-FNB Stadium. Ungakhohlwa uma walithenga ithikithi, hamba ulithenga ithikithi. Kuzobe kuyigame ebalulekile kakhulu lefu i-league, because two of these teams balwela ukuthatha isicoco se-Betway Premiership. So i-team ezowina la izoba ne-favor enkulu kakhulu ukuthi iyithathe i-league. So lana ngizoshaya i-lineup prediction yami. Yabo ungangitshela ke wena yakhe i-lineup prediction ikanjani, but ke ngizoshaya eyami, ungangixeki, yabo ungayixeki eyami. Ngitshele yakho kuma comments, ubhale la ukuthi wena uzoqalisa ba, but ke nayi ke i-lineup prediction yami. Asiqale nje. Ngiyalazi ukudaba ngizoqala ngoSipho Chain. uSipho Chain enyamaza uyena goalkeeper engithanda ukuthi umjida awine i-goalkeeper of the season nakulonyaka. Nakule season le umjida wenza kahle kakhulu. Uyalead right now ko goalkeeper benza kahle ku-Betway Premiership, nala season wayeleader wenze kahle. So kule game ke siyodlala against iMamelodi Sundowns uyawazi umsebenzi, uhleze ezo-excel mesodlala against iMamelodi Sundowns, because he knows iMamelodi Sundowns ithime kanjani. He knows ukuthi yini esiyidlalelayo right now. Umjida usehlale kakhulu kwelo Pirates. He really understands what's at stake kule game esiyidlala. Yabo for me umjida, I trust him to be that guy ozokwazi ukuthi adile with amabhola ahamba phezulu, because we know there's a striker kwiMamelodi Sundowns esibizwa ngoBryan Leon. Lo mjida lo une-height, lo mjida lo uyakwazi ukuheada. So kule game le asiwadingi abadlali abangeke bafuna ukumaka, sifuna ubadlali abazokwazi basebenzele phezulu, bakwazi ukuvimba lawo ma-set pieces lawo. So Sipho Chain, I trust him to get out of his box and grab those balls. Mase siza kwi-defense, angifuni ukuloya ngiyale nale, ngizoqalisa nje the two tall center backs esinawo so far, okubani uMphotshabatsane banolebone Siyema ke bafethu siyamazi umjida. So far he has been doing very good for Orlando Pirates ever since uMbokazi eshiyile Orlando Pirates. uSiyema nayo usiyayithola ishine yakhe, uyakhombisa ukuthi uyileli defender leli, yabo ekumele sithembele kulona kakhulu. Umjida angasebenzisana benomPhotshabatsane. I saw uMphotshabatsane against iTTM. Yes, I know iTTM is not a big team, but ke indlela adedlela ngakhona umjida ubonile ukuthi lo umjida olazi ibhola, yabo akanalo uvala akhombisa ukuthi umdlalo sathana kufika kuOrlando Pirates. So kuzoba i-test enkulu kakhulu for yena le against iMamelodi Sundowns. So I trust him to play against iMamelodi Sundowns. For me, I will start him against iMamelodi Sundowns. Umjida unayo i-height, uzokwazi ukuthi adefende lawo ma-long balls aqhamukayo, azonikeza lo mjida lo uBryan Leon. So bawuthi abajida banayo i-height, bazokwazi ukudila namabhola ahamba phezulu. Wena ngokwakho, do you think uSesane kumele ayiqale le game? First of all, uSesane for me, I don't think umjida kumele sim-introduce simqalise kule game. Abo that is my only opinion. Mhlambe wena ungangitshela ngeyakhe opinion. For me, I don't think uSesane kumele ayiqale game. Sesane is a good player. Sesane is one of those good players esinabo, one of the best defenders. But ke kule game le kuzoba i-risk kakhulu, because if ucoach introducer emqalisa kule game le and engenzi kahle, leyo nto leyo kuzoblamewa ucoach. Mase kublamewa bani na? Kublamewe nayo umdlali, kube ngathi umdlali akahlali kahle. Kanti cha, we have a player like uMphotshabatsane who has been doing very good for iMarumo Gallants. Ubedlale wonke ama games ade wadlala kuMarumo Gallants. Umjida unaso istamina, so asim-introduce because akanawo ama-injuries so far. Umjida udlala kahle vele, so why not introduce ubani uMphotshabatsane with uCM. Masuthi kuma-wing backs bafethu ngamqalisa mina uVan Rooyen as i-right wing back i-Orlando Pirates. Umjida he has been very good so far for i-Orlando Pirates. Yes, ube nayo i-rusty esathanda kubuya kuma-games akhe amabili, but ke umjida usepick uphile kwi-form yakhe, useyabuyela kulo Van Rooyen lo esimaziyo odlala ngempela. So simbonile uLebitso ubuyile ejimini izolo, bafethu ade gym with i-team preparing for le game lethi esiyoyidlala with iMamelodi Sundowns. But ke starting uLebitso might be a good thing too. We know uLebitso umdlalo kanjani, but ke you might never know regarding uLebitso. Bafethu uLebitso uyashesha ukulimala, yabo banaka ukushintshisana benoVan Rooyen, which is something I don't like. We need a right back ezokwazi sihlale ingaluyilimala njalo, because nawo sibelebele nawo sathana buya ku-injury, but nawo sibelebele ngingamqalisa kule game. But ke what I've seen from Van Rooyen so far, umjida uyanginikeza ithemba lokuthi kumele ayiqale le game le against iMamelodi Sundowns. Naye uyalwazi into esiyidlalela, uyalwazi udaba, yabo. But ke Lebitso uVan Rooyen, I chose uVan Rooyen. You can tell me if you chose uLebitso. mase kabhek bafethu ka left wing back ngaqalisa about Dion Hoto. Dion Hoto is a big game player. He's a big game player Dion Hoto. The thing about Dion Hoto engayithandi ekumele ayiyeke kule game le angayenzi actually kule game le ukuthi umjida a delay ibhola angafuni ukufaka ibhola ile. Lento lo delay ibhola kakhulu isenza singabi yabo dead offensively up front because we need our wing backs to release the ball early for our main man, our striker, to pounce on the ball and hit the target. That is what we need from a right wing back and a left wing back. So these are my wing backs. These are the players I trust to deliver ibhola phezulu alekelela ama-wingers esizobe sidlala ngawo kule game lisoyidlala mase kusise esiswini ke ila iqala ibe tricky khona because remember uSibisi benobane benombatha ngenzeka abajida bangabi khona kuthiwa abajida bathintekile but ke asazi noma ke indaba lezo ezizoba verified inkosi yayazi Orlando Pirates inawo ama-tricks ngenza ukuthi abajida bakhona ba ready bayodlala mhlabe bazama ukuphazamisa iMamelodi Sundowns ekuplaneni wayo. But ke laphana ku number 6 ngaqalisa uMakehleni Makaula is my main man. He is the guy I would start kula number 6 position. So far akekho umdlalo ozomphazamisa lapha. Even Sihlendulu umjida akalulami kahle but ke I hope to see uSihlendulu ebuyela eskimini soOrlando Pirates umjida ashesha lulami because sine league kumele siyiwine. Kwama games kanje you need players like abuSihlendulu mase ukuthi ke abadlali bazodlala phambi kwakhe uSihlendulu for me based on the information, based on the players we have so far. I will start with Tito Maswanganyi as number 10 and I will start Ubani Unemdajela as number 8. I will start with Tito Maswanganyi and Unemdajela. We know Tito Maswanganyi bafethu usedlale kakhulu against the Mamelodi Sundowns. Usedlale kakhulu against the Mamelodi Sundowns as an Orlando Pirates player. So I trust Tito Maswanganyi to deliver in that number 10 position because uyawazi umsebenzi akumele awenze kule position. Remember the games we played before waqala bona waqala uTito Maswanganyi. I remember that at MTN 8 game waqala uTito Maswanganyi but ke washeshe wakhishwa. I didn't like that but ke it seems like ucoach wayena ama plans regarding that but ke kule game le umjida he has been performing very very good for Orlando Pirates, so I would trust him to play that number 10 position same as Unemdajela. One thing I don't like about Unemdajela ukubuye emuva azomaka kule game le kumele azi ukuthi kumele abuye azosiza uMakehleni Makaula because sizobe silwa ngempela lapha eswini. So we need players abazokwazi ukuthi babuye bazosiza team izomaka. So this is my midfield ahead of the game lesoyidlala against the Mamelodi Sundowns. You can tell me wena ngokwakho izothini midfield yakho. Mhlawumbe ngamqalisa uMfukenge as number 10, mhlawumbe ngamqalisa uMbule as number 10, ku number 8 ungaqalisa ba because umbathu limele. Mase ukuthi ke ama-wingers kuma-wingers ngaqalisa bani ka left wing ngaqalisa uMfukenge as left winger mase ka right wing ngiqalise bani ngiqalise Oswina Police. The reason why I'm starting these players, I think it's obvious. Obvious. He's our main man. Iwona ama main man esinawo lawa bafethu. But ke ekamfukeng I think second half umjida ngamdlalisa as number 10. Maybe ngidonse kancane uTito Maswanganyi mase ngintroduce uMoremi lapha as winger. I think nalapho ngasebenzela mase siyishintsha igame mase sifuna uku-attacka more. Mase ukuthi striker ke ngaqalisa bani nake ngaqalisa uEvidence Makgopa. He's the one who will be pulling the strings. He's the one who will be drawing out that Mamelodi Sundowns defense outside. We know players like abondamane clumsy kakhulu abakwazi ukubamba kakhulu ibhola ba rough. You need players like Evidence Makgopa up front to draw out that defense so these wingers can capitalize on the mistakes that are done by a defense in Mamelodi Sundowns. So this is the lineup. Ngangitshela wena yakho kuma comments.